This is Jeff with Tig's Digs, and today I'm going to show you how to do a basic square knot. Many projects for hemp require that you know how to do a square knot. Most of them are square knots and an overhand knot. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the square knot, and then in subsequent videos I'll show you the other knots that I use to make my products. Basically, to do a square knot, you need 2 cords cut to the length of your project. For this example, I just have 10-inch cords. And the inside cords are known as filler cords, while this outside cord is known as the working cord. So the filler cords go in the middle, and what you do is you start on the left side, and you just cross over the middle cords, and then on the right side you cross over that cord, and then you come down and underneath the filler cords. See how I'm doing that? You'll come down underneath the filler cords and then pull it up. The longer your cords are, the easier this is. This cord's kind of small, but basically this is what it will look like. And then you just pull the tag ends tight. Now right there I've made a half knot. To make the square knot, you start from the right side, go over the 2 filler cords, then take the left cord over that cord, feed it down under the middle, pull it up, and there you have it. You just pull your tag ends, and there's a square knot. I'll do another one fast for you to watch it. Over, over, through, up, and cinch it. And then over, over, through, and then cinch it. And that's all there is to tying a square knot. So here it is a lot closer. You take your left cord over. See how I'm going over the middle 2 filler cords? Then the right cord goes over that one. And then it goes down through, just like that. You grab it in the middle of the other loop, and you pull these tag ends, and that's how you do your knot. Cross over, and then through, grab it in the loop. See the knot there? And then just cinch it tight. And that's how you do a square knot. And here's the top angle how to do a square knot. Starting with the left side cord, I'm going over. Then I grab the right cord and go over that one. Then I take the tag end and go through. See that? Then I grab it from the middle, and I'm left with the tag ends, and I just pull them tight. I'll do it one more time. Over on the right side, over on the left side, and you just keep alternating them to form your knots. Through the middle. And then I grab the middle. And you pull it tight. Look at that nice length of knots that I'm making. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more knot training and for lots of projects that I do. Thank you and have a good day.